Cái meeting in. Good evening. Mấy cái nữa ta? Tao hey tao buổi tuần số tụi mấy cái nữa thay màu bấm nổi. You might get confused. What is this items? So Sanpu, Mr. Matthew opening. I don't know exactly, but he will explain it. This one is so many. You see many holes here. Kapau kai na gaya?
There is 12 holes.
12 holes. Nai tai. This is for, especially
Fishing.
for fishing. Crab, it can be crab, it can be for catfish, it can be different type of fishes we can catch here. And this is for summer break, Anna?
Yes.
Summer break outing.
We are heading to Shuttle
Okay,
on 26th of this month.
okay.
May 26 to
So this
31.
is very interesting. One item. They have few more item to be displayed. So let's go for the next item. Sanpao, yes. And it again the next item. Sanpao, you introduce. Tell me
No, this is the hook.
what
Hook
kind of
changer.
hook?
Hook
This is
changer.
the hook changer.
What kind of hook changer?
It's for fishing rod.
Fishing
rod.
hook.
Fishing hook, yes.
All right,
This is
all
fishing
right.
hook.
Okay.
And then we have
A hook.
the hooks for the fishing rod.
Oh, closer to the camera, please.
Camera.
Closer to the camera. I just want to focus.
This is the hooks of that.
Oh,
fishing rod.
how many pieces you have bought?
I
100.
think I bought 100.
100 pieces. Wow, this
And
is
then,
interesting.
right, this right here
Uh-huh.
is a hunting hobby. Fish attractant.
Gooster.
Booster.
This is actually for what?
This is for
Fish
fish attractant.
attraction.
Okay, to attract the fishes.
Yeah.
All right.
We just put it right here and then we
Okay.
just put it in the water.
Oh.
Then after putting in the water,
Oh,
then after putting the water, then we have to do fishing.
okay. I saw it in a YouTube video, but this is the first time I see it in a real good item. And this is?
This is fishing line.
Uh.
This is boxed up fishing line.
Okay.
It's very strong power.
Okay.
So the way to use this is that I have no idea how you use this, but I think we just put it in the hook.
Okay.
We put it in a hook,
Uh-huh.
and then we put it in the hook, and then after that we just fish down, and then we just put it back up.
In the river or in
Yeah.
the water or
Yeah.
wherever fish it is, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what things will be put in the hook then?
Just wet.
Okay. Oh, few more items,
No
yeah?
more items.
And this is
Wire.
wire.
Fishing
Okay.
wire.
Okay. Interesting.
So
So this is a multi-purpose.
yeah, this is multi-purpose.
Okay. Next item. Wow.
Wait,
You
this
have
is- Yeah, this is. I think this is again fishing net.
fishing net.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think this is fishing net.
So how
because-
big fish will be able to catch with that net?
I think
One finger, two finger, something like that, or in.
all hand.
Okay, you can see like this. See if you take it out this one, you will see how the hole it is. Anna?
Yes.
So this is one finger. See how many finger can you enter this one? Two finger. Oh, even four finger of yours can enter. You can catch a big fish with this net. Oh, interesting. And one more.
This is the what?
Oh, a bigger one.
A bigger
Okay.
one
Okay.
for fishing net, right?
Oh, I think this is for two finger, and the first one is for four finger or single finger. I don't know, maybe. Now, Sanpao, where? Oh, you have
This is the biggest
Another
one.
item.
Oh,
wow,
I have.
and this one
This is 5 kilo. Okay.
5 kilo.
We can
Okay,
get a lot of fish with this.
okay,
This is very big, and we can get a lot of fish.
okay.
with it.
So this is how do we catch fish with using this net?
So by using this net, we have to first remove this.
Okay. You don't have to open,
We have
or
to
you need to.
remove this.
Oh.
Yeah, we have to remove this.
Okay.
After removing, I will show you.
Okay.
This is fishing net,
Okay.
and the way to do this is that.
Okay. No issue. Take your time.
Okay, thank you.
I can
This is
see.
the rope.
Oh. So this is a throwing net, we can say.
Throwing net like this. We usually throw it like or like this. We throw
Okay,
it
okay.
usually like this.
Okay.
The net is
Whoa.
like this. We throw it.
Okay.
Just like a fishing
So
rod.
now your brother is little taller than you, so let him show us the demo.
I will
Or
show.
your papa or your daddy, nah?
Let me show.
Three of you, so
Yeah, this is throw net. Throwing net.
throwing net.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can catch like
Lot of fish.
more than 10 kilos in one throw.
Yes.
Okay,
This
okay.
is true.
So it depends on.
It's, the size is 9 feet
Uh-huh.
long, and it's 30 feet square.
So.
Wide is 30 feet,
Mhm.
and the length is 9 feet.
Okay. So, this is the upcoming collection for, no, this is for the upcoming winter break adventures, nah, adventures.
summer break,
Summer break. Summer break, adventures collection, this one. They have collected, mostly focusing on the
And we have a
fishing items?
gill net as well.
gill net.
Yeah.
Okay. I heard it for the first time.
Yeah, it's like the height will be around 4 feet.
4 feet depth.
Yeah, and 30 meters long,
30 meters length.
30 meter line.
Okay. Which means
This is how.
it will be some
It's just like one finger for little smaller fish.
smaller fish. Okay.
Yeah. And we have like medium size as well.
You will come
This
to
is
know.
how the deep.
How big? Enough?
Yeah, this is the deep, like around 3 to 4.
4 feet, I
Yeah.
guess.
And this is 2 finger. Yeah, this is 2 finger, big.
Big enough.
This is for
Good.
big fish. And
Okay.
the length will be around 30 meter.
30 meter. Okay. You better not open now. Lift it.
And we have another one is there, a little smaller one, 1 finger, and the same deep and the same length will be there.
I see. I see.
And this is for the smaller one, 1 finger.
1 finger.
Yeah,
You can see
the
the
whole
hole
is 1
here.
finger.
Good, quite interesting. Sanpa, do you want to introduce about your item? What is that? How?
This is a mega fishing net.
Okay.
Mega fishing net.
Mega fishing net.
This is a 12-hole. This is a 12-hole fishing net.
12-hole fishing net. So
Yes.
how will you fish
So
with using this?
apparently we have to hold one hand here, one hand here,
Okay.
and one hand on top,
And you have to throw inside.
and one here also in here,
Okay.
Drop there inside the water.
and then like this we use it. We shake it again, and then we pull up. Then we can only get the fish.
So why fish should enter inside this net?
I don't know why, but
There is a hole.
there's a hole.
There is a
Yeah.
hole, so you must put something inside to attract the fishes, right?
This we have to put this.
That is to attract in surrounding, but for that net you need to put material things inside.
Material, yes.
Maybe meat, maybe atta, something like that.
Yes, you have to put like this.
Okay. So now you have better knowledge and all set for the summer break, right?
Yes.
So are you exciting?
I'm very excited, I think.
Huh?
Are we going to go in resort or resort? We're going to go at resort.
Yes.
I don't know.
Resort.
Yes, we are
Yeah.
going to resort.
Resort.
Okay. Chalo. This is really interesting. I came here visiting Sanson's house today and found this item where they are planning for the adventurous winter break. Summer break again. I mistake again and again. And please stay tuned. The real action will also happen and upload it when the tides come.
And then I will fish.
Yes.
I will do it
Yes.
by throwing this.
Uh-huh.
Up to the first step to like this.
Mm-hmm.
We hold it. Our first hand, our thumb should be here,
Mm-hmm.
and then this four fingers should remain sealed
Okay. So your focus
like
is
this.
your 80% focus is on this net.
Yes. And then after this, we have to. And then after this, you please move it away.
Okay.
And then
All
after this,
right.
you
All
hold
right.
here,
Yeah.
like,
Mm-hmm.
drink and hold this middle.
Okay.
Middle part.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Mm-hmm.
like this.
Wow.
Like
Wow.
this. And we just do like this.
Mm-hmm.
Spin it.
Mm-hmm.
Like this.
Oh.
Then we pick it up.
Mm-hmm.
After that, tiny fish will come.
Okay. Thank you so much for the demo. You just want to tell something about your upcoming events or the summer break?
I think this event is going to be good.
Yeah.
And also we're gonna do fishing activities.
Uh-huh.
Fishing crabs.
Uh-huh.
We'll do swimming
Uh-huh.
in the resort.
Uh-huh.
And also we will also catch fish.
All right.
Very big fish.
Okay.
Like tuna A1, tuna A2, A5, like that.
All right.
Thank
So,
you
Thank you so much.
and bye bye.
Bye-bye.